kubor nagaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba ke Sarkar Jylla Conrad Konggol Sangma Jymmang matkilat pathai kubor haga ar tari Jymmang halor ki kamnya Pynbeit put haga wat Kaba ulaong badang hagi niki sngi ula yo Jymmang lingba ke telefon bad Chief Minister ke Jylla Assam Himanta Biswa Sarma bad haga Jingïakren nakaliang ki ar Menteri Rangba kata jong Meghalaya bad ke Assam kidangnya Pynbeit ya katarik ha kabala bo jingmut ban Sdang no ya ke Jymmang ke baningkong hau ni ubna Jymmang bat kani kamdai ka kam kabala ban orlong tang hapo ke sisngi jong ke Jymmang henrai kum ke Sdang nakaliang ke Sarkar Meghalaya kan yele kat bala ban wanra abyang ki jaka ki badai jong ke Meghalaya Conrad ula ongru bahwa ke Jymmang bat Menteri Rangba ke Assam kaladon ke Pynbeit ki tarik bat kaladon ru ke jingmut neki arliang mamla.
So I have had a couple of telephonic conversations with my counterpart from Assam. We are working out the dates. Hopefully, we should be able to initiate the first talk within the month of May itself. But obviously, as I said, it's a process. So it's not that we will see everything happen in one day, but at least the initiation part, we will try our best. We are working out our dates. And as I said, the good part is that since we are in direct talking terms and we talk to each other directly, so we'll be able to finalize the dates very soon. We have given 2-3 options to each other. Once we freeze on the exact dates, I will definitely inform all of you.